they are ready to customize as per your requirement. You can make your own salad. Wow, see the biryani, guys. So tempting. Guys, prawns is here. And that was a surprise for my mom. I'm not supposed to say outside, so I'm just keeping it within myself. Pastries are available here. Welcome to Anjude Vlogs. This time it's gonna be a food vlog from Barbecue Nation. There is a funny saying about Barbecue Nation. If you are going to Barbecue Nation, it is better to skip 2 meals before reaching there. Another saying is that if you are going to Barbecue Nation, better to rent out a tummy and go so that you can have your meal properly. Guys, we had already reserved our table in Barbecue Nation Koramangala. So we are waiting for our grill and starters to arrive. Barbecue grill. Guys, we are restricted to purely non-veg, but then I wanted to try the pineapple grill and maybe paneer also. Let's see. Pineapple. And paneer is not there, right? Now the chicken has come in, guys. Chinju is Indo chicken. Chinju likes only chicken, so she will finish off all chicken, I'm sure. And prawns also, maybe. Yeah, enough. Guys, this is corn, baby corn. Ryan is taking his own time. He is having his own food. Do not eat, no use. Guys, fish is also here. Now, about the main reason why we are here today on this weekend. It is actually a treat from Chinju, my sister, because of one of a dream come true moment, which I'm not supposed to say outside, so I'm just keeping it within myself. क्या है?
आलू का वेज कबाब.
Aloo kebab. This is aloo tikka, guys. Guys, even if I'm a pure non-vegetarian, I would like to try a few of their vegetarian dishes as well, like this potato and the pineapple, the baby corn, etc. And this is chicken wings here, but we will take only very little of these kind of starters. Otherwise, we cannot be full with these grill items. They were collecting the feedback. They were asking if we need more spice or less spice, or is this fine. So we said this is fine, this is medium spice. So they are ready to customize as per your requirements. So if you need more spicy, you can tell them, they will customize according to you. And my mom doesn't want a lot of spice. That's why we told medium spice is fine. This is paneer. I like paneer a lot. Capsicum, paneer and tomato together. What is your favorite dish? Paneer. Guys, prawns is here. We both were waiting for prawns. Chinju, prawns. Guys, we are done with the starters. Oh my god. All our tummies are full now. But still, we want to show you the other part of the meal as well. So let's go and see. This is the veg side. Veg noodles, chili paneer, plain rice, dal makhani, paneer butter masala, So, aloo gobi tomato and makmali kofta curry. Wow, see the biryani, guys. So tempting. Veg biryani. This is chicken dum biryani. This is the chicken non-veg area. Anda hara pyasa, Mangalorean fish curry, morg makhani and mutton rogan josh. This is the chicken mancho soup. We'll take very little from everything just to taste. As always, Chinju's behind desserts. Gulab jamun and moong dal halwa. Sham is busy munching his chicken biryani, so he will not talk for some time. Now Chinju is having a dessert starting with gulab jamun. She will be always happy for any dessert you give. Amma is happily having meals. Rice, white rice, biryani and whatever rice she could see there, she has taken it. Our Ryan baby is like Chinju only. He is also into dessert. These are the different salads available. You can make your own salad. Cucumber, carrots, a bit of pasta, cauliflower, onion, mixed fruit salad. Now with the main course, soup. Good. Would have been little more spicier, my preference. Otherwise it's good. So roti is also here. Roti with mutton rogan josh. Very good. I like mutton curry. Nice. Kids are fighting here for the desserts. In between, I'll also go and fight. Pastries are available here. This should be pineapple, I guess. Chocolate brownie, guys. And what is this? Nice to see, right? See the chocolate ball or mousse something. Kesari firni. This is rasgulla. Hi, Sam, I want a bowl. Yeah, guys, custard. I love custard. I've taken everything. I think only payasam is left, but anyways, Amma has taken it. I'll take from hers. Appu loves chocolate cake. Yay! Acting. Boom chack chack, boom chack chack, boom chack, boom chack chack. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amma. Happy birthday to you. And that was a surprise for my mom. She's very happy now. Happy birthday, Amumma! Yay! Guys, it's time to wind up this fantastic vlog from Barbecue Nation. Our tummy is full, mind is full, so a big thumbs up to Barbecue Nation. Guys, as always, please like our video, stay tuned to my channel, comment and subscribe to my channel if not done yet. Anjodaya Vlogs.